Saint Dominic de Guzman was a Spanish priest and founder of the Order of Preachers, commonly known as the Dominicans. He was known for his deep piety, commitment to poverty, and dedication to preaching the gospel.
Dominic founded the order in response to the rise of heresies in southern France, emphasizing education, preaching, and doctrinal orthodoxy, canonized in 1234. He is remembered as a key figure in the church, intellectual and spiritual renewal during the medieval period.
Saint Dominic de Guzman is the patron of scholars, astronomers, and the Dominican order. He is known for founding a religious order rooted in studying, teaching, and preaching, promoting educational and intellectual rigor in service of faith, living a life of discipline and humility.
Why student choose him? He represents the pursuit of knowledge and wisdom, especially in the context of faith and moral to clarify.